I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect MetaMask to Google Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for MetaMask and ensure you select the official extension. Then, click the Add to Chrome button and confirm the installation when prompted. Once installed, you'll see a small fox icon. Pin it to your browser toolbar for quick access to your wallet. After installation, click the MetaMask Fox icon and select Get Started. You'll then have two options: create a new wallet or import an existing one using a secret recovery phrase. If creating a new one, you can choose whether to allow anonymous data collection to help improve the service. Next, create a strong, unique password. This password will unlock the extension on your computer. This is a crucial step for your wallet's security. MetaMask will present you with a 12-word secret recovery phrase. Write these words down precisely, in the exact order shown, and store them in a very safe, offline place. Never share this phrase, as it grants full access to your funds. You will then be asked to confirm the phrase by re-entering the words in sequence. Congratulations! Your MetaMask wallet is now set up and ready to use. You can click the Fox icon anytime to view your assets, account balance, and transaction activity. To interact with decentralized applications, simply visit their website and click the Connect Wallet button. MetaMask will then prompt you to approve the connection. Always double-check the website and transaction details before confirming any actions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.